Hey everybody, last we left off with Project Supra, we had just pulled the 7M engine and transmission. While trying to get the torque converter bolts out, we stripped 2 of them, so now it's time to heat things up a bit.
Put my 225 pounds to good.
There you go.
Yeah, the crank is. Torquey torque.
GoPNH.com.
GoPNH.com.
Yeah.
What's PNH stand for?
I don't know. I hope my drain pan is empty.
You didn't empty the oil?
Nah.
Ready?
I'm waiting to finally get the crack down the side of the block.
So are you anxious to see what's inside?
Yeah, I want to see what happened with piston number 1.
Nothing.
If that's the case, I'll burn the whole car to the ground. Yeah, we'll see what the inside is like. And I hate it. Like, even if it's just a broken ring, there's still some pretty deep chunks blown out of piston 1. So, at a bare minimum, that has to be replaced. I like some forged pistons, but not in the budget.
Who makes forged pistons for it?
I think JE Probe used to, but they don't anymore.
Hey, JE Pistons, send us some pistons.
Yeah, I'm sure there's a big, huge market for the 7M right now. Most guys
How many of those wrenches are you gonna try?
Every single one I have. Good Lord.
Why is the drain plug that tight?
Oh my gosh.
welded on.
Might be.
This one.
Trying to get it to move either way.
That's right.
Yeah. Watch your face.
You can just see that slipping off and smashing me in the face.
As long as we get it on camera. Alright, you ready?
Fire.
No!
That's gonna land on my finger. It's going in the oil. Look at that. What a nice guy. Saving a little tiny spiker.
Dude, get off me before you die.
Is that a potato chip? Potato chip.
I don't think it's a potato chip.
No? Looks like one. Were you eating when you put this back together for the leak down test? Big paper.
So the cylinder with 50 psi has been removed. You can see there's some nice scratches all the way around. It's really hard to see, and I don't have a light that'll shine down in there. There's some decent cross hatching in there, but at the bottom cam cap, there's some scratching there. But the top main bearing, bam! Yeah, check that out. And drum roll, please. Broken piston. Boom.
That wraps it up for today. Again, thank you for watching.
And if you want to help support our channel, go to snrmotoring.com and buy a couple shirts. We just released new hoodies for winter. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.